foods. Alright, here are the ingredients that you're supposed to... What am I supposed to make?
Bird's nest ring.
Bird's nest rings. And it's simple how to make them. I'll show you how. Okay. So, you take about this much twine. You cut it off. Sometimes it's really hard to get it off. And then you take this little bead. And then you do this. You push it in a little bit and cold up. And then wrap it around. Wait, can you pause it, Mommy? Can you speed it up on the videos? Goodness, okay.
Hey, Mommy. Could we walk? Could we walk to Grance's? Me and Lindsay.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
Taking Lindsay the mask.
Annie.
No, good drink.
We might buy some mask. And take like
You can't ride bike. There's no helmets and stuff.
Yeah, go up at the top.
Oh,
Okay, so after you're done wrapping it, you're supposed...
can we, Dad?
You go back down.
After you're done wrapping it, you're supposed to do this. Stick it in under here. And then you're done. Done.